Steve with Prima Coffee. We are here at the Boston Specialty Coffee Expo 2019, and we're over here at the Astoria booth checking out the new Tempesta Espresso Machine. It is Astoria's higher-end new espresso machines. We've got independent brew boilers, a big old steam boiler, new steam ones with variable flow rate based on the lever, nice and dry steam, lots of room for articulation, a huge spacious workspace. So if you're a barista, you'd love working on this machine. You got so much room to work without knocking over cups or trying to fit things underneath, you know, your parts sticking out. It's a volumetric machine. We've got 6 programmable volumetric profiles. Each has its own setting for pre-infusion as well as total milliliters out. And the temperature of each group is independent, so you can set different temperatures per group if you're running different coffees, however you like. We also have like a quick manual button here, so you can just lock right in, pull a manual shot. We also have this great data readout. It's a live graph of the shot where you get both flow rate and pressure. So as you're pulling shots, you can check your consistency. You can see that, you know, the flow rate is working as expected. Your pressure is hitting its mark. You can see if things are going wrong, like you've got some channeling in the puck and your flow rate spikes unexpectedly. So you can gotta get a better sense of how your shots are progressing based on that readout. Lots of really great features in this machine, and it's actually launching later this year in 2019. We're expecting sometime summertime, maybe fall, we'll see. We're really looking forward to seeing these hit the market. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more content like this, we've got all kinds of product overviews, comparisons, recipes, events coverage, and more. Feel free to subscribe, like, share this video, and let us know what you think in the comments.